good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where we have finally the two new special edition Maseratis out in the open, out in the public, and up close and personal for the first time. Now, we have seen these cars at Geneva earlier this year. They were inside of the Geneva Auto Show. You couldn't really get as up close and personal as you are today. Now they're out in the daylight and we can see the new Quattroporte and Levante with the Ermenegildo Zegna special interiors and the nice paint colors. Now let's talk more about these. Now, Monterey Car Week is off and running. We've seen so many different things debuted so far. If you guys need some current updates, I have been posting some videos on my second channel, which is called Ron's Rise News. The link will be down in the description if you guys want to keep up on all the car news going on. What makes these two cars as special as they are is these models will have seats made of woven leather and only 100 will be offered. These had the Tessuto leather interiors. Maserati came out with the 3D carbon fiber this year, which is amazing. If you guys haven't had a chance to not just look at it, but feel it, it feels like real raw carbon fiber. And that's how the Tessuto and leather interior feels like. It feels like and looks like a wicker basket in a sense. Now, it's not just some fancy name for the run-of-the-mill option. The material is comprised of thin strips of Napa leather that is woven together. Now, that's as opposed to being just one big slab of hide. The process essentially mimics that of the traditional hand-woven fabrics, with the obvious difference of it being leather instead of cloth. Now, the end result, the material is said to be really durable, lightweight, and in the automotive community exclusive. Maserati says they are the only automaker to offer this type of interior. Now, the Ermenegildo Zegna Silk, which Maserati came out with back in 2016, which I had in my old Ghibli, lasted for 30,000 miles, and I still had no stains on it, no tears. It's set to last about 300,000 miles, where actual leather is only set to last about 100,000 miles. So Ermenegildo Zegna is also doing the Tessuto leather interiors, so I know that it's going to be durable, and I know that it's going to last. Now, with 50 Quattroporte and 50 Levante models of these specific cars, you're getting the Quattroporte SQ4 Gran Lusso, and you're getting the Levante S Grand Sport SUV. Now, you have a blue sophisticato exterior with the Quattroporte Gran Lusso, and for the Grand Sport Levante, you have a Bronzo tri-coat. So both are very special in their own ways. You have the 21-inch polished Helio wheels for the Levante, and for the Quattroporte SQ4, you have the blue brake calipers with the brown interior. Now, both editions get the Zegna badging, signifying the company's responsibility for the leather construction. Now, Maserati hasn't mentioned any pricing yet for these models, but is a first-come, first-served basis, and they will be coming out or delivered in spring 2020. So now, after seeing these up close and personal in the light, seeing how detailed these models are, again, I'm going to ask you guys, would you take the Levante or would you take the Quattroporte? Which one of these would be your flavor? I mean, they're both really nice. I do really like that Quattroporte, especially with the brown interior. I mean, it's just, the color combo is just unmatched. I do like the Levante Grand Sport, but I don't think the Bronzo Tri-Coat is my flavor. And with it having a black interior, it's pretty standard run-of-the-mill, but they did a really good job on both interiors. I just think the Quattroporte just knocks it out of the water. But what do you guys think? Seeing this from Monterey Car Week, seeing everything up close and personal, seeing all the new stuff that is coming out, just gets you really excited. Hopefully you guys are liking the videos. If you are, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. That thumbs up button will get this video up in the rankings, and more people can see this video and have a discussion about these two special Maseratis. Make sure you check out in the links below. I have my second channel for Ron's Rise News if you guys want to subscribe to that. I have a link to my one-time donation through PayPal if you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I really appreciate all the support from you guys, or you want to do the Patreon subscription as well. You can also check out my social media links and subscribe to more Ron's Rise, where you can click that notification bell and get these videos straight to your inbox. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you down in the comments below. We'll have more coming from Monterey Car Week really soon. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you in the next one. Peace.